Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. I have in front of us an amazing device, a really awesome device where I get to upgrade my phone. It's a new phone. You guys probably already know what it is, looking at the title of this video. But guess what I got? I got the new iPhone 17 Pro. And guess what? It's orange. So it's the orange special color that they came out with. And it's the 1 terabyte model. So it has the bigger size, more memory, better camera. It's gonna look so good. It's gonna be jam-packed with so many things. And I'm so excited to open this up in front of you guys. So let's do it. Let's open this up. And here we go. iPhone 17 Pro. Look at that orange. Woo! That is nice. I'm gonna bring it up to the camera here so you can see that. Look at that. That is sweet. Comes with a power cable in the box and some little pieces of paper. But let's pull off the plastic and turn it on. You guys, I am super excited because one, a bigger memory on the phone, a nice aluminum body, bigger camera, a much bigger camera, of course. And then the screen is absolutely fantastic. I am super excited to shoot video with this, to take pictures with this, so I can show each and every one of you on what this phone can do. But you got the orange kind here. This is a USB-C to USB-C cable. And along with that as well, in order to protect the phone and also make sure that you see the orange, I have Zag put this right on the back side of this phone, slap it in. It's a clear case, it's protected, and I'm ready to rock and roll. I have the action button here, and I have more buttons on the side here, the power button, and then we have the Zag screen protector as well. As you can see from the phone, it has the action button, and you also have the volume button. On the side here, you have a camera button along with the power button on top. You have these little nodes here. That's for like the satellite GPS signal. It gets a better range for the phone. And then you have the back side here, which is going to be more for of the wireless charging. If you also have the magnetic backs, accessories, that's all on there. You have the LiDAR on the back side here, gives you more of a clear depth of vision, and much better cameras, bigger cameras all the way around. You have a smooth side, so if I were to compare it to like my iPhone 15 here, and then this is going to be all edged, but you can see here on these sides here, they're more cornered off and they're much smooth all the way around. So if you look at both of these two phones from the 15 wise and then the 17, much bigger camera between the two on the new phone. Very excited to try this out. Very excited to activate this phone and put it all together for you guys. But make sure to watch the next video. This video, I just wanted to do the unboxing, show you what this phone looks like inside and out, how it feels, how it touches, what kind of cases and accessories that I got for it. And that way in the next video, you can see how I activate this phone. But until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.